beautiful, sunny Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is July 30th, and my name is Jacob Arthel. I've been living here for about 5 days now, and I love it. It's winter time and 60 degrees outside, so you can't beat that. I just recently graduated from Indiana University with a financial degree, and I've been trying to do everything possible to not use it. I hated all my classes, and I can't imagine that I would enjoy the actual job that pertained to my classes. So here I am. I'm trying to start up my own travel vlog. I've really been inspired by Los LeBlanc and the Vaga brothers and seeing all the beautiful work they've created digitally, and I want to do the same kind of thing. Why Buenos Aires, you may ask? Whenever I went on holidays with my uncle in 2018, we went to the Florida Keys, and there I had met a girl from Argentina. Her name was Polly, and she was working abroad and wanted to practice her English, and so she came to the US, and it was awesome seeing her just live in an apartment with other Argentinians and work in the Florida Keys and just be totally introduced to a new culture. And when I saw that she was going through that experience, I loved it, and I wanted to go through that same experience. So from December to July, her and I kept talking about me moving here and me trying to create a travel vlog. And so she helped me get an Airbnb, which I found one here in Nunez for $480 for 3 weeks stay. I also shipped my dog from the US to her, and she has watched it for a week for me before I got here. I'm looking for apartments while I stay at the Airbnb on a website called Zona Prop. And tonight I'm actually going to go see 2 properties, and I will take you all along with me so you can see what apartments here look like. And I'll also show you what this Airbnb looks like. So get ready for the tour. That was the Airbnb you just saw, and now I'm going to go outside, and Pally and I are going to take her car and go see 2 apartments that we found on Zona Prop. So wish us luck. So Pally came, and I thought she was coming in her car, but she came by bus, and now we have to go catch a bus to the apartment, and we're running late, which is nothing new for me. And nothing new for her, so
as always,
we'll get there.
está buenísimo.
Yeah, muy luminoso.
Sí, muy luminoso.
Sí.
Bueno, el piso.
¿Eh?
El piso.
Digo, ¿qué piso hay?
Claro. Y hemos visto cada una que...
Yeah, I know. I mean, if I can have it, okay. You like it? Yeah, me too. So now this place has everything, and we're gonna go check out the pool.
No, está buenísimo.
So we just checked out the apartment. It was really nice, and we found out that it's only $500 a month. It's a 6-month contract, and we'll have to renegotiate after 6 months and see like what they'd want to adjust the price for inflation. And then they have to get back with us tomorrow about if there's going to be dogs allowed, because obviously I have Lanita. So she's top priority over myself. So hopefully it works out though, because that was a beautiful apartment with beautiful views. Now we have to go see the other apartment, and even though I really want that one, I just want to see what the other apartment looks like to compare and contrast the two. So we're going to be on our way, and let's go see that. We just made it to the other apartment building. It's also Nunez. Both these have been in Nunez, if I haven't said that. It was about a 20-minute walk, so kind of far, but got some good exercise in. And now we're going to go tour the inside of this one.
Permiso.
Bueno, él se está yendo.
Sí.
Está sacando algunas cosas que le quedan, me dijo, pero bueno,
Sí.
vamos a ver. Esto sí es de la propietaria.
Sí. No, está buenísimo.
Wow, es hermoso.
Linda vista,
Sí.
tiene linda orientación.
Muy buen.
Tiene que limpiar esto bien. Esto, la heladera.
Wow, look at that. Por eso, pero no, pero de verdad
Actuales.
Sí.
A ver, ¿qué pasa?
It's like modern.
Sí.
Ahí hay una marca.
Creo que debe ser el diseño.
3.000 pesos de peso.
Ok, ¿y cuánto? A mi viejo.
So we just got done seeing that apartment, and it was really nice. As you saw, the view from the balcony was beautiful, but I don't think it's going to work out because I have to have some bank papers that I can't get because I don't have a visa or anything like that. So I don't think it's going to work out. But now we're going to head to Pally's parents' house and eat a delicious dinner. What are we having?
Cazuela de pollo con arroz.
Yeah, whatever that is with rice. That's what we're having. Sounds really good. So I'm excited. Definitely gonna have to make a quick pit stop to get some beer. Don't know what kind, but is it dinner if there's no beer? I don't think so. If you want anything, and I mean anything from this girl, you just have to give her an alfajore. Trust me, I know. Oh, we just got here in Vicente Lopez to Polly's parents' house. And we're about to go eat that scrumptious dinner. Of course, after I show you how it's made.
Hola, hola Nini. Hola Jack. Hola. Hola. Hola Jackie, hola.
I have no idea what they're saying. Do you eat this often?
No. Comemos esto seguido.
Pally, what's in here? It's pollo, verduras. ¿Qué verduras?
¿Qué tenía?
Ají,
That looks absolutely delicious.
Tengo un poquito más de arroz.
¿Viste?
With the beer, of course. That was a delicious dinner, and Pally and I just got home, and I'm exhausted, so all that apartment shopping is gonna put me to bed right now. Good night.